Hey everyone, want to write your first Arduino code but don't have an Arduino board yet? No worries. Today I'll show you how to blink an LED using Arduino, and guess what? You can do it right now for free using Tinkercad. So Tinkercad is an online simulator, you had it right, that lets you to write and run Arduino code without any hardware. So whether you have a board or not, you can still practice and learn. Stick around, I'll guide you through setting up Tinkercad and writing your first Blink LED code. And hey, if you are new and excited to start coding, smash the like button and subscribe to our coders. Let's get started. Okay, so first you have to open your browser and go to Arduino dot go to tinkercad.com. So and there you have to type tinkercad.com. Here we are, just hit enter. And if you don't have an account, just sign up, it's totally free. So sign up, you can sign up as an educator, as a student, but I'll be using as a personal. So I'll be creating account, and here I'll be signing up with my Google account. Get muted. So here we are on the dashboard of Tinkercad, and here go to circuits and create your new design, or you can go from here and click, and there's an option of this circuit. So you can go from here or from here, anywhere. So click on that. So here we are to build our first Arduino project, like we would have made it in real. Okay, so just drag and drop your Arduino here on the workspace from here. Okay, just like this. Okay, so I've actually dragged two. So remove one. So remove one from here. Okay, so now go to code and choose the option as a text. Okay, continue. So here we have a pre-written code. So one thing more I want to tell you before this. Okay, it is a very amazing platform, as you can have all your sensors and other things that are necessary to make and project, like potentiometer, LED bulb, resistor, battery, and everything that you need will be here. You have to just drag and drop, and there you are, ready to go. So let's come back to our code. So this code tells us to set pin 13, or you can say there's a pre-word written LD built in. Okay, it's a keyword. You can also write 13 in place of this. Okay, and it is written as output because we will be giving output as 0 or 1, or you can say high and low, to turn and off the LED, this built-in LED. Okay, and let me tell you what this code it is all about in brief. This part, so this thing I have spent, like, we have to set up all the things that we'll be using in the program. So we'll be using this as a output pin. Okay, and there's a loop, and here we have given this pin or this keyword as a high. Output means we are now turning on the LED. You can also write in place of high, like 1, Okay, and here we are delaying for 1 second. Like I want to tell you, like in this Arduino platform, everything is in milliseconds, so you have to be careful about that thing. So 1000 milliseconds equals to 1 second. Okay, so it will be on for 1 second, and then again we are using this function, using this line here, but we are giving it as low, or you can also write 0, means we are turning off the LED, and it will be also for 1 second. Okay, so this thing will be keep on repeating and repeating because it is in a loop. Okay, so now let's be ready to see the magic. So you just need to start the simulation from here, and you will be seeing the magic. Okay, so here as you can see, our LED is now blinking. It is doing in a fixed interval, that is after 1 second it is turning off and on and off and on, and this goes on. And one thing more I want to show you, like I can add one more LED to it. Like we use this pin number 13 for this LED to blink. Okay, we can also connect this LED also with this Arduino. This anode side is a positive, so positive always goes to this digital pins like 13, and this is a cathode. All the cathodes will be connected to ground. Okay, and now you can run the code again, and you will find that the LED that we have attached just now, the red one, it will also start blinking with the inbuilt LED. So start the simulation. You can also, now you can see this LED is also blinking after 1 second. Okay, and there you are, you have it, your first Arduino project which is completely done. Okay, so whether you have a physical board or not, you can start writing code right now with Tinkercad. If you found this video helpful and found this video helpful sorry, hit the like button right now and subscribe our coders. Let me know in the comments if you want anything else for me to make on a particular topic, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.